Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the essential aspects of English grammar, the present perfect tense. I know verb tenses can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the present perfect tense, its formula, some example sentences to help you grasp it better, and so on. So, let's get started.
Hey, have you ever struggled with the present perfect tense in English?
Yes, it can be a bit confusing, but I found a great video that explains it really well.
That sounds helpful. Can you give me a quick overview of what it's all about?
Sure. The present perfect tense is used to describe actions or events that have a connection to the present. It's formed by using the helping verbs have or has and the past participle of the verb. The formula for forming the present perfect tense is pretty straightforward. Subject plus have or has plus past participle.
That sounds simple enough. Can you give me an example?
Sure. For example, I have visited Rome twice this month. The subject is I, the helping verb is have, and the past participle is visited. We have seen the monkey 3 times today. The subject is we, the helping verb is have, and the past participle is seen. They have studied English for 3 years. The subject is they, the helping verb is have, and the past participle is studied.
Got it. Are there any specific rules I need to remember?
Yes, here are some key points to keep in mind. Use it to talk about past actions that are still relevant to the present, use time expressions to give more context, and be mindful of irregular verbs. Remember, keep working on your English skills.
Thanks for the tips. Do you have any practice exercises?
Yes, try forming sentences using the present perfect tense, and now, it's your turn to practice. You'll be using this tense effortlessly in your conversations.
That sounds great. Thanks for the lesson.
No problem. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time.